This 2013 Mini Paceman is brought to you by Affinity Automotive Repairs and Amp Sales LLC. Affinity Automotive is proud to offer this well-maintained and very clean but sporty 2013 Mini Cooper S Paceman. This Mini Cooper is finished in a blue metallic paint with a very clean black leather interior. It is powered by a fuel-efficient yet powerful 1.6L turbo i4 mated 2A automatic transmission. It features power seat, power windows, power locks and mirrors, AM/FM for Candela, keyless entry, steering wheels controls, dual climate control and much more. We are offering this 2013 Mini Cooper for only $16,995. Please call Rick or Calvin at 407-802-2960 with any questions you may have, and feel free to stop in for a test drive. Visit us at affinity.v12soft.com.